Hey, welcome back to Greater Mood and Wellness channel. Today we're talking about skin barrier repair. Ever wonder what your skin barrier is and why it's so important? Let's break it down. Your skin barrier is like a protective shield. It keeps the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. There are three main types of barriers your skin provides: the physical barrier, the chemical barrier, and the biological barrier. First is the physical barrier. This is the outermost layer, made up of dead skin cells and lipids, which keep moisture in and harmful elements out. Next, the chemical barrier. It's all about the skin's pH and the natural oils that keep your skin balanced. Finally, the biological barrier. This involves the beneficial bacteria on your skin that fight off harmful microbes. So what happens when your skin barrier gets damaged? You might experience dryness, redness, and sensitivity. Common causes include overexfoliation, harsh skincare products, and environmental factors like pollution and UV exposure. But don't worry, there are products designed to help repair it. First, the Barrier Repair Cream. This cream is packed with ceramides and fatty acids to help restore and strengthen your skin barrier. Next, the Barrier Repair Serum. It's lightweight and full of nourishing ingredients like hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, and of course, Barrier Repair Moisturizers. These moisturizers are designed to lock in moisture and protect your skin throughout the day. Remember, the key to repairing your skin barrier is consistency. Depending on the severity, it can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks for your skin barrier to fully repair. Be patient and gentle with your skin during this time. Stick with products that are gentle and packed with skin-loving ingredients. Your skin will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also visit greatermood.com for more skincare and wellness tips. See you next time, and please take care of that skin.